everyone, this is me again, Mark, and for a long time my last upload here on my YouTube channel was, I think it was 2 weeks ago, and right now I am in Negros, and I took a vacation here for 3 days. And since I left my place when I was 13 years old, I've never been visited my alma mater, my elementary school and my high school, where I spent my whole elementary in this place. And I decided to drop by, and I will show you my school, where I did study when I was elementary and when I was first year high school. So it is like walking on, this is a walking from the past. And I remember this place, this one is closed right now. This is the place that I used to eat, because this is an eatery before when I was elementary. And this one on the other side, this is the house of my grade 2 school teacher. So Ma'am Borromeo, this is your house. I still remember the memories. You always bring me in this house when I was grade 2 together with my schoolmate. Then we took lunch, and at my back is highway, that's national highway. And I will turn the camera and I will show you my school. So that's the entrance. This is the road, the entrance of my school. So the road is just the same like as what it was before, but the facade of the school, it's no longer the same, because that's the new facade. And this is, I remember before still there is a store here. Before there are stores there, and we eat. Oh my god, I am trapped. So the road here is very small. We will take the other road. So I will go back. Kay the road is very narrow, and there is a block. We can pass. As I said, this is the road. So the situation is still the same. However, the house, this one is already changed. That is not the house before, but this one is still the same. Only it fenced, but it's the same. We will take the other. So in this school, I spent this area here, there. That's where I always we always waiting for the jeepney, because coming from here going to my house, so we need to take jeepney. And wow, after I think how many years, oh god, what's this? Going back to the memory. The store is still there. That's where we always buy bond paper. And the school structure is already that one. This is the principal's office before. That one. This one. That's the principal's office before, and I think they did not. And this is the new school. Yala. Kalawang bugod ani. There is a changes already. This one is elementary school, this property there, and going straight, that's the high school, I think. I don't know, because this is not the same as before. Let's this before that is a grade 1 classroom, this one, but I don't know now. And this one is high school. It's still the same, only the gate is changed. Because before, the gate is not facing on the road. It's facing beside the road. This is a very big school. The elementary, but the high school it's not. So there are changes, no? There is this in this area here is already changed. This one I remember. So this is what I told, because this is the entrance of the high school before, that one. So they just changed the entrance. That is the entrance of the high school before. So I studied high school here for just 1 year, and yeah, the place here is changed. This area already changed. Uy, kalawom. Before, this is children's playground, this area here, but now it's already I don't know what is this one ba naagyo ni siya sa una this lot is owned by my classmate, and this one ba naagapon siya nang pirmi siya gatubo. This is I remember wow, nice kayo magbalik sa sa memory ba, kani kinaagyo ni siya sa una kanang balaya. Out of the houses here before, this one is the most beautiful house when I was young. That one, the blue one, that's the most beautiful house before, and I looked that very rich before. And this one is also the lot of my classmate. They were coming from Manila, but her auntie is murdered, and then I don't know what happened to them, but I don't know if still they own that lot or what. Wala, no? Nice kayo. Bakla yun ba? Ninako diri sa una, among bakla yun kay my aunt, the sister of my mother, is living here in the same barangay, and I lived with her for when I was like grade, I forgot, basta I lived with her, and then I used to walk in this road because there is a shortcut here going to them. And if we are going to left, that's going to the highway, and then that one is still before, that's the Globe Tower. I don't know now if it's still Globe, but that was owned by Globe. That is Globe Tower before. This one is if there are parties or there are parties or fiesta in this barangay, this place here is used to put some happenings like Peria, circus, yeah, like that. And this one, that store there, that's where my mother always get our supplied rice and everything. And also, and that is credit. And then I remember every Thursday, so every Thursday I always I waiting for her, so that maybe I can get something. Nice. And this is the highway, and that's it. That was my elementary. I did not go inside the school because it's school day, and I don't want so many students. I'm going now to the cemetery because I will clean the nicho of my mother. Thank you so much for watching me. This has been me again, Mark, and until to my next video. This is just only a little update of my life because I was not able to upload the past days, and I decided I want to take video. So this is in Barangay Kaduhaan. My school is Kaduhaan Elementary School, and Kaduhaan National High School. And this is Barangay Kaduhaan, and I'm now heading to cemetery because I will clean the cemetery of my mother. I was just came from the church and now I'm going to the cemetery. When I come back to Cebu, I will upload another video as usual. The properties, I will tour properties. But for now, temporarily, I just want to have my little updates, and I want to hear the cemetery. And my mother is being buried there. I will go there. Okay, that was a little update of my vacation here in Negros. So I'll just show you the school that where I studied elementary and high school. So on the elementary side, there are little changes, but on the high school side, there are lots of changes. So it's just like walking back from the past. So right now I'm going to visit my mother, and thank you so much for watching my video. And this has been me again, Mark, and please subscribe to the channel, like, and hit the bell button, and you can share the video, or maybe you will get interested in watching my other video. You can click my YouTube channel and check on there and watch my YouTube video, and hopefully I can bring you something, maybe entertainment or what. So right now I will go to my mother, I will visit her, and thank you. God bless you all. God bless you all. Bye bye.